People, I'm back again with my favorite type of unboxing. Come on, people, you already know. I already said, if not if, I already said I will be buying Air Max 95s over and over and over, building up a little collection. Um, they are probably the most popular trainer on my channel. I should just change my channel name to Air Max 95s and Pumas because that's all I really post these days. But yeah, people, carrying on the Air Max 95 wave. Before I say that, actually, I want everyone to like, comment, share, subscribe. That's the good stuff because we need subs. We need watch hours. We need all that good stuff, man. Come on, people, man. Support, support, support. And shout out everyone who does support and who does watch the videos because you're just literally watching someone waffle for 10 minutes. But don't let that throw you off. Please continue supporting because I really do appreciate it. So carrying on the Air Max 95s. This Air Max 95 actually I should have purchased a long time ago. And I wanted to, but then I didn't, then I did, then I didn't. And I thought the colours were a bit too much and blah blah blah. Then I thought, nope, collection time. So the box that everyone sees every single Air Max pickup. Literally, you've seen this box hundreds of times. It's probably the most features box on my channel. How can I correct myself and mess up twice? Okay, we move. So it's a bit ripped. Don't ask why. MX 95 SE. SE, I believe, stands for Special Edition. If it doesn't, it does now. So these are light charcoal, which is one of the best colorways for MX 95s. If you have charcoal, like charcoal, they're gonna bang. University red. So that's a bit of a lie because there's more colors than that, man. Come on, Nike, what are you doing? Just write light charcoal / bare colors. Simple. UK 10, US 11, centimeters 29, Euro 45, BR 43. I'm not gonna get into the style code, man. That's boring stuff. Let's get into the trainers, people. MX 95. Woo. Air Max 95 EOI. That's Evolution of Icons pack. Just look, these are so good, man. Just even in the camera, the way they pop, you can tell that these are special edition. You can tell these are good quality. And you know what? What's underrated? Bubble color. I like what they did there. It's like a silvery type color. Very nice. And you know what else I like? Boom, the bottom. If you thought I bought these trainers and I didn't have a look at them and I didn't try them on already, you must be crazy people, man. I don't have patience. So it's got a green at the bottom, which is very nice. I don't know why I really like this green color. Then we get to the silvery bubbles inside, so silver color in the bubbles. Black midsole, black leather stripe, the first one, which you know I love leather on these people. As they've been doing a long time, as they always do or they regularly do, they have to chuck a bit of suede in there, so a grey suede stripe. Then another leather one, which is very similar to this leather, but it's just grey leather with a very nice red tick with a blue, navy blue outlining. So there is a lot of colors on here, but they are still subtle, which I like what Nike did. I really like that, man. Then it's got like a someone's gonna cuss me in the comments. Nubuck stripe. And watch when I carry on talking about this. People are gonna be confused. So it's got a very nice mesh, grey mesh, which complements the other grey stripes. So it actually looks pretty spot on. It's got a gold lace loop, a turquoise lace loop. That's actually a pink one, but it shows up as red in the camera. That's a purple one. It shows up as royal blue for some reason in the camera. It's purple. I don't know if I can get these colors in better. No, they just want to show up like that. This is like a light green, lime green. That's pink again, like that one. Then it's got a Volt tick. I actually really like it when they put a tick here. I think they only do that on SEs, so special editions. Then it's got the black leather wraparound, very nice and smooth. And I hate when Nike make this bit suede, because this bit gets messed up the quickest. So don't make this suede, Nike. Carry on the leather stuff. And then the same here, so it's leather, suede, leather, nubuck type, black midsole, silver bubbles, same colors going across, so you know, all the way down, same colors. Then it's got that multicolored Air Max logo, which I really like. I really like that. I don't think I've seen that before. It just really looks good. So this pack was kind of, you know, the different colors of TV and stuff like that. I don't want to get into it because I really don't know. That's kind of, you know, when the TV kind of messes up, these colors come up. I don't know, man. Nike have designers with big GCSEs and big brain cells. You know, they think of different stuff. If it was me, I'll just splash random colors all over it. But Nike, you need to contact me because I can make you 100 pairs of these that will sell out instantly. Let's bring 95s back. I've seen the 97s pop. I've seen 98s pop. I've seen Air Max 1s pop. Watch when 95s pop, people. I did it first. And this bit, yeah, I'm going to show everyone, which is I've never seen before. I've seen probably on the internet, but I've never had it in person. This is cord. So it's like the fabric that they use sometimes on sofas. I have seen cord type sofas or cord trousers. Sometimes they make a load of cord things. So this is actually fabric. I've never really seen that on an Air Max. So that is a lot of detail, and I love the way it just goes. So the same color cord, it goes with the grey, just contrasts so nicely. Oh man, that sounds so sad, but it just looks so good. Amazing looking shoe, man. I really like the way the grays work. As always, I'll throw in my 2p. I could make these like so many different colorways. Nike should, so they should do just, you know, a red tick here, or red lace loops, you know, red here. That will look amazing. They can do a blue version. They can do like a neon green version. Oh man, I'm just getting so excited. I'm getting gassed just thinking of different colorways. It's how you know my life is sad, people. And then another thing I really like, so the insole is quite different to your usual plain Air Max insole. So it just has Air Max logo, different Nike logos. Nike Air even has a TN logo, Air Max 180. So carrying on the evolution of icons vibe. Yeah, so very nice. I absolutely love the attention to detail. The things they've done on this trainer, beautiful. I did like it online. I didn't really buy it then because I thought got a bit too much grey, whatever, you know. And then just now, I just thought I have to get these, man. I have to add them to the collection. It's a bit tricky what I'll wear these with because of the colors, but I'm sure I'll find something because I always do. Materials premium, very nice, good leathers used. I would complain about this suede line. If it's leather, it's 10 times better, but you know, let's not do that today. So I will be crep protecting the cord tongue and the, you know, the little side bits. I'm just gonna cover this in crep protect or sneaky spray. I don't want to give brands that don't give me deals any promo. Water protector, waterproofer spray. I'll just spray it all over. So those type of brands, you know, I really like these. I think they'll go good with a pair of grey jeans in the winter. So definitely going to be my winter rotation, hopefully. And I think that's enough of me waffling, because I've literally waffled about how much I love these trainers. And that sounds so sad, because as you can tell, a lot of the other ones I do review, just to do reviews on, I do like. But when it comes to Air Max 95s and different colorways of Air Max 95s, ooh, I just absolutely love them. And I could talk about them all day, to be honest. So that's enough of me waffling. If you watched it all this far, you're a legend. Shout out yourself. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, people. And as always, an on foot video to follow. Take care, people.